Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Sweat. We back with another, well, really the first POV for real, because I don't even think I dropped the first one, but I don't know if y'all could tell, but man, we in a new whip. Y'all see it, 160 on the dash. We go big boy 5.7. You know what I'm saying? Your boy had to come for the upgrade so we can make bigger and better content. Yeah, man. Right now I got the gang behind me. Y'all see? Boom. We about to get on this highway for y'all. Give y'all a little slight POV as we head down to the gas station right quick. But yeah, man, y'all let me know what y'all want to see on the channel, since we do finally have a V8 now. I give y'all some content. I'm about to give y'all a slight little pull right here, cause like, come on now, who don't want a little pull? Let's be real. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Y'all hear that motherfucker right there? Yeah, yeah. But yeah, man. You know what I'm saying? I done finally went V8. No more playing with them. I'm finally a big dog with them. But yeah, man, I'm about to get on this highway for y'all. Get y'all this little POV, a little quick little mid-afternoon POV. But I'll pick y'all back up once we get on the highway, just cause yeah, it's a loop-de-loop, and I ain't trying to wreck out. All right, man, we fresh on the highway now. You know what I'm saying? Got the gang behind me. Need these boys to come past me. Yeah, here we go. Here go one of them. I don't know if y'all can see him. Here go one of them. Yeah. Come on, bit dog. Pull up. Pull up on me. Pull up on me. Pull up on me. Give me a slight little something. Give me a slight little something. Come on, Jay. Hook me up. Yeah. See that boy Naro up ahead. Sure, gotta get that content. Gotta get that boy Jay. Gotta get out of there though. Oh, wait. Smoke this motherfucker today. Damn. God damn. But yeah, man, I don't know if that was too windy for y'all or what, but yeah, man, y'all see we on the highway, got the whole gang. I don't know why this man is riding my ass, but he lucky he the homie. But yeah, man, y'all see it, we cruising. Oh, that man was rolling his car, damn. Feel bad for big homie. But y'all see we got that boy Naro up there with that fucked up ass back end. Damn. Nah, let me put this shit in one for y'all. Oh yeah, oh, that boy hit me with a flyby when I don't even need this shit. Damn, bit dog. Shit, boy. Let me go ahead and get through here right quick. Hey. Oh yeah, we on that. Oh, we on that. Let's go. Oh, I was about to take a smooth cut for y'all, give y'all some cut up action. But hey man, yeah, y'all let me know if y'all want to see some cutting up in traffic videos with the gang, cause you know we will do it. We will get real shiesty with it. You know what I'm saying? Look, you know what I'm saying? We getting stupid with it. Everybody right now, I think, has a V8 now, except for the president of our car club. But I mean, come on now, she next up for real. And yeah, man, we really taking over the city. And you know what I'm saying? We just chilling for real. But yeah, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I'm just talking because I don't know what to talk about. And ain't junk really going on. Y'all see the highway empty. Like, it's empty out here. Oh. That boy thought he had a fast car. That boy must have forgot. I got the fast car now. Yeah, look at him. Look at him. Yeah. Oh, he twerking that hoe. Okay. Big boy 5.7. Y'all see that boy Naro out there flying as always. Oh, we got a Durango coming up. Oh, he didn't want to pass. But yeah, man, y'all see these muds on the side of the highway. They done broke down. Damn. Had to. But yeah, man, we just cruising down the highway, you know. A little slight weekend, slight little Sunday for us. We chilling. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing really popping today. Good boy. Yeah. He out of there. Oh, let me get my mans through. Yeah, hey, man. Kids, do not speed. I'm telling you, kids, do not speed. This is some very dangerous, illegal activities. But if you do choose to speed, do it at your own risk. And remember, there are consequences to speeding. But with that being said, I'm gonna keep speeding because I know how to drive my car. But y'all finally see it. We got Durango over here. My boy Mari in the cut. Y'all follow my boy on the gram at chasing.mari. Yeah. I'm gonna get y'all these boys IGs when I get them, but y'all follow my boy in the Jeep, Drizzy J, on YouTube. Go ahead and run my man up. Big 200 subs coming up soon, no cap. My boy growing fast. And then I'm gonna hook y'all up with my boy Naro shit when I get it. No kizap. But we pulling up. We about to get off the exit for real. About to pull up to the QT. But yeah, man. Hey, matter of fact, y'all comment down below if you got QT in your city or not. Cause I don't think every city got QT. I know they got QT in Charlotte, North Carolina. Nah, not even North Carolina for real. Cause if you go further up in North Carolina, you got Sheets. But I know certain parts of Charlotte got QT. South Carolina got it. I know Georgia got it. So y'all comment down below. Y'all let me know where y'all from and if you got QT or not. Or let me know what gas stations y'all got. And yeah, man. But y'all see the lineup. We got Big Boy Jeep up there. Big Boy Jeep. We go 5.7 by the way. Big Boy. We go old school Durango by the way. Yeah. But yeah, man. Y'all see them. Y'all see them boys. We outside, man. Y'all see we outside, man. Y'all get at us, man. Damn. Well, if I'm looking shaky today, y'all, my bad. I'm hungry. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I get a little shaky when I get hungry. So if I'm shaking to y'all, I'm sorry. But yeah, man. Y'all let me know what y'all want to see on this channel. Cause like I just be trying to upload stuff when I find stuff for real. Like I really don't be having nothing to really post. Like can't really do much. Y'all see this scatty right here? Yeah. Oh, we got a little Charlie coming up too. Y'all check that boy out. Yeah. I think that's a V6 for real. Damn. But yeah, man. Y'all see we pulling up to the QT over here. If you from Columbia, you should know this. You should know this gas station. This is QT on 2 Notch. This is where most meetups happen in this city. If you ever want to come to a car meet, just pull up to QT. You'll find somebody and they will point you in the right direction. But yeah, man. Shit, we about to go in this gas station. I'll probably catch y'all if we get back on the highway for real. Yeah. Hey, man. We done got to the QT. Shoot, we got the Big Boy 5.7. Went gray again. Big time. You see it, big 345. Show y'all the engine. Y'all see them boys over there working. Yo. Show y'all the engine one good time. God dang. Y'all boys see it. We go V8 by the way. But hey, I got a special surprise for you. Y'all see it, bro. Big Boy last call. Get at me, bro. I got a last call. But yeah, man, y'all see it. I done went V8. Yeah, check me out. Oh, them lights bright as shit. But y'all see, we got the gang out here. We got another 5.7. We got another 5.7. Yeah, check my mans out. Not gonna say nothing? Fuck you too, bro. Now, yeah, always working. Then we got the Jeep over here. Y'all know the Jeep already, but yeah. Oh, matter of fact, this banner right here, y'all, this bitch is different. I don't know if you can see it, but like this bitch changed color. Hey, somebody bring me a light right quick so I can show them the color changing. Oh, you can see a little bit. Yeah, hook me up right quick, my brother. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, y'all see that? Y'all see a little purple with the gold in it. Yeah. Oh, now y'all see. Hell yeah. Appreciate you. Hey, y'all go subscribe to my boy Drizzy. Yeah. Drizzy J on the YouTube.
Get a look at these subs.
Yup. What you want them to follow you on, my boy?
Follow me on Instagram on _.
Check my boy out. Y'all checking these big ass kickers.
No, since we showing subs, I got
kickers. Check them motherfuckers out. And check out them big old 5-inch chips. Yo.
You know what I'm saying? Come.
Oh yeah. Let's see what he telling us.
Look up in there real quick.
That boy got the Fursky.
Yeah.
God damn. Y'all see that boy got the whole setup in this bitch. On the seat, by the way. Shit. Hey, we not gonna pay no attention to that, yo. Shit, we ain't gotta talk about that. Shit. Yo, we just chilling at the gas station. This nigga always working.
Got to.
Work ready.
Got
That boy be work ready.
Take some pictures on my car.
Gotta work to make money.
Yeah, man, we done went 5-7. Y'all look at it again. That mother clean. Let me go ahead and show y'all them tips. All right. Y'all see I got them stock tips right now. About to go 5 inches. Still got stock diffuser. About to change that out too. You know, car content coming soon with the 5.7. Got stock tail lights right now. But we got a lot of stuff to change, man. I'm about to turn the lights on for my mans right quick. Good. Yup. Oh, I ain't even tell y'all. I got 5% tint on the whip. Can't see nothing unless I... Oh, you still can't see shit. Oh, my fault. Damn, still can't see shit. Damn. But y'all see the whip, man.
I don't know, but I might get some pictures.
Y'all see the whip, man. We go back to back 5.7. Then we go full lineup of 5.7s. Yeah, man. Y'all see we got a bike ski over there. That shit slow as fuck. I don't get it. Shit slow as fuck. I don't get it. Y'all see it, man. 5.7's terrorizing the city. Big time, man. Yeah. Y'all see that boy steady working. Hey, sneak peek, sneak peek, sneak peek. Oh, shit. I ain't gonna leak too much. I got you. But yeah, man, that's gonna be the end of today's video. Man, y'all don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And shit, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one, man. Y'all comment down below what else y'all want to see, and stay tuned.